Agent Harness is for developers who are tired of copying agent prompts and setup files by hand. It gives reusable agent assets a lifecycle you can inspect. Start from a clean workspace. Ask the harness to prepare an OpenCode setup, and it shows demand signals, source choices, recommendations, mirrored bundles, activation manifests, and wire previews before you trust the result. The point is not magic. It is reviewable state. You can diff it, reset it, and decide what belongs in your project. High-risk steps stay visible. Native installs, authentication, quarantine approval, hooks, plugins, tools, and MCP servers remain explicit choices. The same lifecycle can support Visual Studio Code and Copilot, OpenCode, Cursor, Zed, Claude Code, Pi, OpenAI Codex, and shared command line workflows. This release is also a call for feedback. Try it on a real workspace. Tell us where the host adapters feel rough, which asset catalogs should be added, and what safety checks would make you trust it more. Agent Harness. Portable agent context, built to be reviewed, challenged, and improved with the community.